Hi children, in the previous class you have already learnt about multiplication of 3-digit number by 2-digit number. Let us we learned about lattice method of multiplication or diagonal method. Let us observe the example. Multiply 43 and 6. First of all, draw two boxes and write the multiplicand above the boxes. 43 and write the multiplier on the right side of box. 6. Now multiply the tens digit and write the product in the first box. See, 6 3s are 18. Write 1 and 8. 6 4s are 24. Write in box. Now add the all. 8 right here and 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Right? 5 here. And 2 write as it is. So answer is 258. Therefore, 43 multiplied by 6 is equal to 258. Let us see another example. Multiply 57 and 48. First of all, draw the box and write the multiplicand above the box. 57 and write the multiplier right side of box. 48. Now multiply the units. 7 8s are 56. Right? 56 in the box. Now 8 5s are 40. Right? 40. Now multiply tens. 7 4s are 28. 4 5s are 20. Right? 20 in the box. Now add it all. 6. Right? As it is 6 here. Now 0 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So, in this one, as right, borrow the 100 place. So write 3 in tens place. Now add it hundreds. 0, 1 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to A. 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7. Write the 7 in 100 place. And 2 is remaining. Write 2 here. So answer is 2736. Therefore, 57 multiplied by 48 is equal to 2736. Let us solve the exercise 5.5. First main, find the product by lattice method. You already know how to solve the lattice method. Now, first question, 52 multiplied by 9. So, write the multiplicand above the box, 52, and write the multiplier right side of the box, 9. Now, multiply 9 twos are 18. Write 18 in the box. 9 fives are 45. Write in the box 45. Now add it all. 1 8 write as it is. Now 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 4 write as it is. So answer is 468. Therefore 52 multiplied by 9 is equal to 468. Now second question, 712 multiplied by 5. Write the multiplicand above the box, 712, and write the multiplier 5 right side of the box. Now multiply it. 5 twos are 10. Write in the box 10. Now 5 ones are 5. Now 7 fives are 35. Right, 35 in the box. Now add it. First of all, units. Write 0. Now add it tens. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. And write 3 as it is. So answer is 3560. Therefore 712 multiplied by 5 is equal to 3560. Now third question, 75 multiplied by 36. Here we make two steps of multiply. First of all, we multiply units. 6 fives are 30. Right? 30 in the box. 6 sevens are 40. 2. Now multiply tens. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. Now add it all the product. Write 0 and add it tens. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0 and 1 carry the 100 place. Now add it. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So write 7 and 2 write as it is. So answer is 2700. Therefore 75 multiplied by 36 is equal to 2700. Now we solve the fourth question. 242 multiplied by 42. First of all, we multiply units. 2 2s are 4. Write in the box. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Now multiply the tens. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. Now add it. 4 write as it is. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 0 plus 8 is 16. So write 6 here and 1 borrow the tens place, 100 place. Now add it. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Write 1 here and 1 borrow the next place. 1 plus 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So write 0 here and 1. Again borrow the next place. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. So answer 10,164. Right. Therefore 242 multiplied by 42 is equal to 10,164. Thank you, children.